this is where you need to go for sure if you're visiting Auckland.
After 10 long, incredible days road tripping through South Island, New Zealand, we finally found ourselves back in Auckland with only 48 hours left in the country. And at this point, we were definitely ready to slow things down and recharge. So with the remaining time, we decided to book a Airbnb near a underrated spot just outside of Auckland. I haven't really heard many people talk about this place or go to, which is really surprising because it literally looks like a slice of paradise. But before we head to our Airbnb, we stumbled upon this incredible place.
This place is absolutely beautiful. There's kind of a lot of people over there right now, so we're gonna try to head over there. Yeah. Looks a little bit more empty. I think we could potentially get some cool shots over there.
You can see why they call it Mount Eden.
Why is that?
Because it's so lush and beautiful. It's like the Garden of Eden.
It feels like we're in a spiritual way. Like this is like a spiritual grounds. Wow, that's beautiful. This place has to be one of the most beautiful places I've had the pleasure of visiting and also shooting. Something about these grassy hills and this beautiful picturesque tree right here just feels like we're in a Studio Ghibli movie. I got some really awesome stuff. This is a very magical mountain and it's just like in the heart of Auckland. I feel like I don't really see this place too much.
This is one of those moments where you're like, wow, can't believe I'm here.
After sunset, we drove an hour away to our Airbnb and went to sleep that night and woke up to the most amazing view.
Pretty amazing waking up to this. It's been a really relaxing and chill morning. Just took care of some work, some emails, reviewing some footage. All morning it was storming. It's really nice to see that the skies turned clear up and it should be pretty clear by around sunset. So that's going to be really nice for taking some photos and some video.
2B, it's time to wake up. It's already 10. Too many candy bars last night?
That's 3 Kit Kats.
You had 3?
I had 2.
You had 2?
Oh my god. This is definitely a very unique house. It's a lot of art collections everywhere. Seems like from all around the world. Looks like it's definitely some Asian or Chinese inspired. There's a little Buddha. They got a bigger Buddha over here. They do have this really cozy fireplace, which maybe I'll try to figure out how to set up later. But as of right now, kind of confused. Got this art piece over here as well. Beautiful. Here's the other bedroom. So nice how they left their monitor here so I could just plug in my MacBook and kind of, you know, be able to see my footage and do some editing way faster.
Slept so well yesterday. I think I knocked out.
Yeah, you were out cold. I had to get you up 3 times. My morning was really peaceful.
And then I set off the fire alarm.
Dude, that was crazy. As soon as I wake you up, you're all like, oh, what is this? Set up the whole alarm in the whole house.
cortisol just spikes to the roof. I'm like, oh my god. I had to
Yeah.
message the Airbnb host.
At least he responded really quickly.
Yeah, thankfully he was just like super fast.
You can see Lion Rock in the background. That looks sick.
It's called Lion Raft?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
How do you know?
I saw it on the map.
Oh wow. You know what? It kind of does look like a lion. Because in the front, that's where his mane is, and like in the back over, that's where his tail is, and like he's like sitting. You see it?
Oh my god, I do see it. I do see it. You know, now that we're next to it, I feel like I don't see it anymore.
I mean, this is definitely its tail where it's sitting, like a sitting lion. Oh, look, he's a horse. Oh, the horse. The horse is rolling around.
Oh my gosh! Wait! Let me get the horse. I can't see it.
Just when you need a zoom lens, you don't have it on. Let me get this horse off in the distance. That's cool how they just have the horse over there. What if like we just get the most amazing sunset ever? All the clouds light up, it turns red. I just put the ND filter on, it has a polarizer on it as well, and I feel like it just really brought out the clouds in the sky. Wow. How do you feel?
I feel good. I like the running shot a lot. I really got some airtime in that. And I was like, wow! Jumping into your arms. But I also kind of cold. So I'm gonna get a glass of wine later to celebrate our beautiful trip in New Zealand.
Kind of like standing like right in my shot.
Sorry.
Watch out! Here's what I'm thinking. We stand there in the sunset while the wind blows the grass. You see it?
I see the vision.
Alright, I'll take the vlog camera from here, and then now you go stand over there for me.
Okay.
This is how we usually... What? This is how I usually compose my shots. Okay. Be right back.
Yeah, no, I feel like no regrets. I'm happy we came out too. I think this is the best way we could have spent our last night.
Yeah, this is our last sunset in Auckland. And honestly, the best sunset we ever caught. Because we didn't really catch too many like crazy like sunsets out in the South Island.
No, you're so right. Which is crazy to think because we're outdoors most of the time.
We watched the tutorial video today, so I know exactly what to do. Turns out we needed this. Da, 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 da.
Yippee!
It's just like making a campfire. Takes me back to the good old days of camping. Throw a couple of these bad boys in there. Here he said be very generous. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do.
I'm excited to see it roaring, you know?
Yeah, I think it's gonna make this place really cozy.
And maybe we can make some tea later.
Ooh, some tea?
Yeah, some nice tea. Ooh. Leave it ajar.
Maybe we should crack a window for now. Alright, I think it's going. And then I'll throw in a big one too. Once these guys are really going.
It's looking real good.
Burn for a little bit. I think we set it up pretty fast. Fire is roaring. We're very cozy right now. Got some anime going on in the background. And we have our lovely hot lemon ginger tea.